Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for entrepreneurs who want their content marketing to convert content consumers into paying customers. If you've been posting content to the TikTok platform and you're having a hard time growing and you're frustrated, not just because you're not getting much, if any, traction on the platform, but because as an adult entrepreneur, you're not getting many, if any, business conversions thanks to the platform, I can help you, as I've helped thousands of my more mature entrepreneur students build their businesses. And if you're not sure, you can always check out my 7-figure success client, Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill, who rocks TikTok on the regular, has been featured in a video done by Jacksepticeye, one of the biggest YouTubers on earth, and now there's a demand for this legit foodie influencer to create merch or merchandise so that their global following can enjoy some Joe's goodness too. I mean, seriously, based on all of that alone, trust me when I say that I can explain to you why you're not growing on TikTok. These are tips that you can really use once you watch this video and other videos I have in my TikTok growth playlist on my YouTube channel, collectively. But wait, before we go any further, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get the help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you can do more business. Not posting enough. Now, you're likely an adult entrepreneur watching this video, so if I give you the conventional wisdom that's being doled out by predominantly the young and single, likely childless thought leaders in the space, and say, well, you should be posting 4 to 8 times on the platform per day, 7 days a week, you might just feel overwhelmed and give up. Don't. I'll tell you why in a minute. So the good news is, if you were wondering if it were impossible to post to the platform like too many times, the answer is likely no, it's not. If you're not going to be like too much, as long as you're going to mix up the types of videos and the themes that you're posting a bit over the course of a single day, you're fine. The even better news, if you're busy in both your personal and professional life, and you just can't crank out 4 to 8 videos a day, 7 days a week, is that it's not the kiss of death if you don't do that, okay? But the bad news is that if you thought that this was a platform that you'd get away with like not publishing at least a daily video to TikTok 7 days a week, that you could be inconsistent and get away with it, odds are the answer is no. But I have plenty of other videos in my TikTok-based playlists on my YouTube channel that can help you brainstorm, that can help you to create enough content marketing to cover that daily deliverable, as I call it. And these videos are anywhere from seconds long up to, as of mid-2021, 3 minutes time maximum on TikTok. So keep things in perspective. This is not a crazy base to cover. And once you're used to covering that base, you'll find it easier and easier to do. I promise. But here's another reason why you're not growing on TikTok. Perhaps not optimizing for search. You're an adult entrepreneur. I don't want you to put out random acts of content anywhere, let alone on TikTok. You don't have the spare time to engage in organic content marketing if your content isn't going to be found by, more often than not, members of your niche or by your ideal customer. You can't deposit fans or followers in the bank. You can't pay the bills with likes or comments. But if you're attracting the eyeballs of the right individuals who are either primed to buy from you quickly, or it won't likely take them long to know, like, and trust your brand enough to want to buy from it in the not too distant future, then your organic content marketing will do its job. You'll get more followers, you'll get more clicks on the link in bio in your profile, and you'll get more buyers too. But you won't get any of that if you're attracting tweens and teens who aren't your ideal customer, when their millennial or Generation X parents, for example, are your ideal customer and they're financially capable of buying from you. So you have to know how to optimize each video in terms of hashtags especially, but keywords too. Adults make up more than half of all TikTok users. They know how to use the search feature. They search on keywords and hashtags for the content they want to binge on. So seriously, leverage search, because from an adult entrepreneur's perspective, it works like a charm. And they're building their email lists and their sales from the messages on TikTok, my students, from providing links on their, website where people can check out. They do this all the time. But there's another reason why you're not growing on TikTok, and that is you're not creating an app. If you're creating videos and editing them and doing everything outside of the TikTok app, and then you upload your videos and it's got editing worthy of an Oscar had it been a movie, and then you see it tank or fail on TikTok, you're likely going to conclude that the app won't work for you, your business model, and or your offerings. And you'd be wrong. All you're doing is having the TikTok algorithm punish you for not creating your content on its platform or in-app. Either at all of it from scratch, or, your content, you shoot the raw footage and then you upload it from your camera roll to the app. Either way is acceptable, either can work. But if you're just uploading finished product, publishing it, or posting it to the app and running off, the algorithm is not going to go out of its way to assist your content. Why? The AI or artificial intelligence that runs the algorithms of each platform has just one goal: to keep users on the platform longer so that the app doesn't lose its relevance, suffers MySpace disease, and so that users can be served up more ads. That's it. So the longer you hang out on the app, editing your videos on the app, the longer you're on the app and the more the algorithm will like that content. That's like the most non-techie way I can explain things. An algorithm, by the way, is really a mathematical, computational, algebraic formula that scores your content one data point at a time. So your content being created all or mostly in app is one favorable data point, if you will. But why you're not growing on TikTok may be related to your not using new features. So new features can be anything from new options, new filters, new special effects, new stickers, new sound effects, new and trending music. Seriously, if you're just uploading videos, doing a little editing in app, and then otherwise publishing or posting the videos to the app, you're not staying on the platform longer, so that's not helping you. And you're also not playing with all of the new features that the TikTok AI wants to see people using, or the developers who created it all and or enable it all, they just wasted their time. The platform owners don't want that, neither do the developers, come to think of it. So guess what? Use the new goodies that appear on TikTok and you'll likely be getting more positive data points for the algorithm to surface to recommend your content out more and more often, and otherwise get you whatever favorable treatment each piece of content will otherwise be eligible to receive. One major reason I can also think of when it comes to why you're not growing on TikTok is you're not encouraging engagement. You know what creates all sorts of data points for the TikTok algorithm to favorably surface? It's engagement from your video viewers. And we're not just talking about your fans or followers, we're talking about all viewers. So every comment, every like, every share, every anything that comes from other TikTok users counts positively towards the performance of that individual video, right? So do what you can, from what you say in the video to what you text, what text you overlay onto one or more portions of your video, to what you write in your caption that accompanies the video. Do what you can to get people to engage, to comment, to share, to otherwise support. Let people know, however you can, that you'll comment back, you'll answer questions in a follow-up video, whatever's relevant for each piece of content that you create. Because that's not just how you make the algorithm or TikTok AI happy. That's how you make the TikTok users happy, one human being at a time too. They'll get to know, like, and trust you and your brand more and more often. And you know who buys from you? People who know, like, and trust you and your brand. Above all, people buy from businesses and or individuals that they like. So use every TikTok video as an opportunity to build your community of fans or followers who are brand enthusiasts, who also talk shop with you and with other TikTok users in the comments. When they know you care, they'll care to support your business. Period. There you have it. This is my answer when it comes to answering the question of why you're not growing on TikTok. Need more help? Be sure to check out these two awesome videos too, because they'll teach you great content marketing strategies that can also help to blow up your business. Enjoy.